Hello guys, welcome back again to another video on my YouTube channel. So how are you my dear friends and my dear subscribers? So I hope you will also find out today. So I am getting late in my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the my bell icon. Then I will upload a new video on my YouTube channel. You received a notification in your mobile phone. Then review you first now to take my movies and my videos. So our topic today, what does and for in advertising tech sharafat is, and this is our topic. Then I will search it. What does CPM stand for in advertising? Cost per mail. What is CPM? Sport, social. What is CPM in digital marketing? Drew. CPM stand for cost per thousand impressions in typically used in measuring how many thousands of people your advertising or marketing pieces. Cost per thousand CPM definition Investopedia. Cost per thousand CPM is marketing terms that refers to the cost and advertiser pays per 1000 advertisement impressions on a web page. So what does CPM stand for? Advertising Small Business Crown.com. The advertising acronym CPM stands for cost per thousand impressions, which is a measurement of how much money it costs you to reach 1000 readers. So what does CPM in marketing mean? PEEP strategy. CPM in marketing is an acronym that stands for cost per thousand. It refers to the price of advertising within a specific marketing. What does CPM mean? Digital marketing terms and expressions. So this is very difficult way. So I will, what is CPM in digital marketing? So I will open this one website and check some interface. So my net is very slow. What is CPM in digital advertising? This is some result, so you should know. So take care. Bye bye. My video is end. See you to next video another day. Bye bye.